What if everything we thought we knew about ancient civilizations was a lie? Hidden deep in the Caucasus Mountains, the Karora Axis defies logic. A structure built with precision so perfect, even today's technology can't explain it. And here's the twist. It's surrounded by whispers of curses and tragedies that have haunted anyone brave enough to explore it. This isn't just a discovery, it's a challenge to our understanding of history. Could this ancient marvel be proof of a lost technology, or something even more mysterious? Stay tuned, because what you'll uncover might just change the way you see the past forever. Deep in the heart of the Caucasus Mountains, scientists stumbled upon something straight out of a legend, the Karora Shaft. This isn't your average archaeological find. It's a massive underground structure built with stone blocks, so perfectly aligned it's as if someone used laser precision. But here's the kicker. These stones weigh over 200 tons each. Who in ancient times could pull this off? And why would they hide it so deep underground? The discovery didn't just raise eyebrows. It sent shockwaves through the scientific community. Imagine a structure so advanced it feels like ancient engineers were showing off. The geometry, the craftsmanship, it all screams impossible. Yet, there it is, silently defying everything we thought we knew about history. Was it the work of a forgotten civilization? Or are we looking at something even bigger? But hold on, it gets even weirder. People who've explored the shaft talk about strange things happening. Tools stop working, shadows appear where they shouldn't, and the air feels heavy, like it's holding a secret. Some even say it's almost like the place doesn't want to be disturbed. Spooky, right? It's no wonder whispers of curses started spreading among the locals. And just when you think you've heard it all, the plot thickens. Why would anyone go to such lengths to build this? What could be hiding within those ancient walls? The Karora Shaft isn't just a discovery. It's an open invitation to dive deeper into the unknown. Speaking of which, let's talk about its jaw-dropping engineering feats next. Now, let's talk about what makes the Karora Shaft truly extraordinary. Picture this: polished stone blocks, each tipping the scales at over 200 tons, fitted together so perfectly you couldn't slide a hair between them. No mortar, no filler, just flawless craftsmanship. Here's the mind-blowing part. This was done centuries ago, without the machines or tech we'd need today. How in the world did they pull this off? Moving one of those stones today would take a crane, a team of experts, and a whole lot of patience. Yet, ancient builders managed to create an entire structure with dozens of them. And not just placed, they're aligned with such precision it seems almost impossible. Did they have tools we've never seen? Techniques lost to time? Or were these stones part of something bigger? Something we're still struggling to comprehend? But wait, it gets even stranger. The walls aren't just smooth. They're polished to a near-mirror finish, reflecting light like they were made yesterday. Every corner, every angle feels intentional, almost like a message carved in stone. This isn't just an architectural feat. It's a declaration, a challenge to future generations. Figure this out if you can. And here's the thing. We're still trying. Could this be evidence of a lost technology? A forgotten golden age of humanity? Or maybe something beyond human? As we step into the theories behind the shaft's purpose, the mystery only deepens, pulling us further into its secrets. So, what could the Karora Shaft have been used for? That's the million-dollar question. Some researchers believe it might have been an ancient energy hub, a place where natural forces were harnessed in ways we can't yet comprehend. Think of it like a prehistoric power plant. Impossible, right? But when you see the layout and the intricate design, it starts to make you wonder if they were tapping into something we've long forgotten. Others suggest it was a seismic monitoring station, built to study and predict earthquakes in a time when such knowledge would have seemed almost magical. The precision of the stonework and the deep underground location seem to support this theory. It's as if they were listening to the heartbeat of the earth itself, using the shaft as a tool to decode its hidden messages. Pretty wild, isn't it? Then there's the idea that the shaft wasn't standalone. It might have been part of a much larger system, like an underground city. Local legends speak of entire civilizations hidden beneath the mountains, and the Karora Shaft could have been their lifeline. Maybe it was ventilation, maybe storage, or maybe something even more essential. The more you think about it, the more the possibilities start to feel endless. And of course, there are those who lean into the mystical. Was this structure connected to ancient rituals or lost knowledge? Could it have served a spiritual purpose that we're too modern to understand? Theories pile up faster than answers, and the mystery grows deeper. Speaking of mysteries, wait until you hear about the eerie events surrounding the explorers who dared to investigate this place. Here's where things get really chilling. Those who've dared to explore the Karora shaft have faced more than just technical challenges. They've encountered the unexplainable. Tools suddenly stop working, communication devices fail, and some explorers report an overwhelming sense of dread. It's almost as if the site itself doesn't want to be disturbed. Coincidence? Maybe. But when accidents and even deaths start piling up, it's hard not to wonder. Local legends warn of a curse tied to the shaft, a dark energy that punishes those who try to uncover its secrets. These aren't just spooky campfire tales. Several researchers involved in the project suffered from mysterious illnesses or fatal mishaps. Skeptics might call it bad luck, but when the pattern is this consistent, it makes you pause. Could the ancient builders have left behind more than just stone? Even stranger are the accounts of ghostly figures and whispers in the tunnels, as if unseen eyes are watching. Some explorers swear they've seen shadows move on their own, while others report hearing faint, indecipherable voices. It's enough to make even the bravest think twice before stepping inside. Whatever the explanation, one thing is clear. The Karora shaft isn't just a marvel. It's a place steeped in the inexplicable. And the deeper we dig, the more questions arise. What lies hidden in those newly uncovered chambers? Could modern science finally crack the code behind these mysteries? If questions like these ignite your curiosity, join us on this journey of discovery. Subscribe now and turn on notifications so you're always the first to uncover the secrets of the ancient world. With today's cutting-edge technology, the Karora shaft is finally giving up some of its secrets, but not without a fight. Using tools like 3D laser mapping and drones, researchers have uncovered hidden chambers and intricate passageways that were invisible to the naked eye. It's like peeling back the layers of an ancient story, one breathtaking discovery at a time. But here's the kicker. Every answer leads to even more questions. Take the newly found chambers, for example. Some are so perfectly concealed that they seem intentionally hidden. Why would the builders go to such lengths to cover their tracks? And then there are the markings, symbols carved into the stone that don't match any known language or script. Could they hold the key to understanding the shaft's purpose? Or are they just another riddle to keep us guessing? Even the drones, equipped with state-of-the-art imaging technology, have had trouble navigating the maze-like interior. It's as if the structure was designed to challenge anyone who dares to explore it. But with each breakthrough, the mystery deepens. The data collected so far suggests a level of engineering and planning that feels almost otherworldly. This isn't just an excavation. It's a high-stakes puzzle that keeps evolving. But the real question is, how much more is there to find? Could the Karora shaft be hiding treasures, technology, or knowledge that could change everything we know about the ancient world? Stick with us as we dig deeper into these discoveries and explore the secrets still buried within. Why would anyone go to such extraordinary lengths to build the Karora shaft? Theories range from practical to downright mind-bending. Some experts argue it could have been an ancient power generator, harnessing natural forces in ways we can't yet fathom. Imagine an underground machine, built centuries ago, capable of fueling an entire civilization. It sounds impossible until you see the precision of the design. Then there's the seismic monitoring theory. The shaft's location, deep within the Caucasus Mountains, isn't random. Could it have been designed to pick up on Earth's movements, acting like a primitive earthquake detection system? The idea isn't far-fetched, especially when you consider how advanced some ancient societies were in astronomy and architecture. Maybe they were listening to the Earth in ways we've forgotten. And let's not forget the possibility of an underground city. Local legends whisper of vast networks beneath the mountains, a hidden world where entire civilizations thrived. The Karora shaft could have been a crucial part of that: ventilation, storage, or even a gateway to something much larger. The scale and precision of the structure make it hard to believe it was just a standalone project. Of course, there are those who believe the purpose goes beyond science and practicality. Could this be a spiritual site, built for rituals or connecting with forces beyond our understanding? Theories abound, but no single explanation seems to fit all the evidence. And the deeper we dig into these possibilities, the more the mystery unfolds. So, what's your theory? Let's keep exploring together. The Karora Shaft isn't just a monument to ancient ingenuity. It's a wake-up call for modern researchers. Every discovery, from its colossal stones to the eerie mysteries surrounding it, challenges us to rethink what ancient civilizations were capable of. It's as if history is tapping us on the shoulder, reminding us there's so much more to uncover. But are we really paying attention? One of the most striking lessons is how advanced their knowledge of engineering and geology must have been. The precision, the materials, and even the site's location suggest a deep understanding of the natural world. It's humbling, isn't it? Here we are with all our technology still scratching our heads over how they did it. Maybe it's time we stop underestimating the past. But there's also a cautionary tale hidden here. The unexplained incidents, the so-called curses. What if they're not just myths? Could these be warnings from a civilization that understood the power they were wielding? Perhaps their knowledge came at a cost, one we've yet to fully grasp. The Karora Shaft might hold more than secrets. It could hold lessons we can't afford to ignore. And yet, the story is far from over. Each new discovery feels like a piece of a puzzle that's still incomplete. What other wonders are buried out there, waiting to challenge everything we think we know? If the Karora Shaft has taught us anything, it's that history isn't just about the past. It's about the future we're building. Let's keep digging deeper, both literally and figuratively. The Karora Shaft isn't just a local mystery. It's a global phenomenon that's changing how we see ancient history. This one site has sparked debates among scientists, historians, and even tech experts. Why? Because its sheer existence challenges the timelines we've accepted for centuries. If civilizations this advanced existed so long ago, what else have we overlooked? The implications are staggering. Around the world, other discoveries are starting to draw comparisons. From the pyramids of Egypt to the temples of South America, ancient structures seem to share an eerie precision and complexity. Could these sites be connected somehow? The Karora Shaft feels like a missing puzzle piece, one that might tie together some of the greatest mysteries of our planet. It's as if the past is speaking to us. But are we listening? The modern exploration of the shaft is also setting new standards for archaeological research. The use of drones, 3D mapping, and other cutting-edge tools is uncovering details that would have been impossible to find just a few decades ago. This isn't just a dig site. It's a testing ground for the future of science. And as more secrets come to light, the ripple effect could change everything from how we build cities to how we understand energy. But the real question is, what's next? The Karora Shaft might be just the beginning, a clue pointing us toward even greater discoveries. If we've learned anything, it's that the world is full of mysteries waiting to be unraveled. So, what do you think? Could this ancient marvel be the key to unlocking secrets we've barely begun to imagine? The Karora Shaft leaves us with more questions than answers, and maybe that's the most intriguing part. Who built it? What knowledge did they have that we've lost over the centuries? And why does it feel like every discovery only scratches the surface of an even greater mystery? It's not just about what we've found. It's about what we've yet to uncover. Think about it. Every new clue, from the hidden chambers to the strange markings, feels like an invitation to dig deeper. Could the shaft be part of a larger network? Could it hold artifacts or knowledge that could completely rewrite history? The possibilities are as endless as the questions themselves. It's like looking at the stars. No matter how much we learn, there's always more to explore. What's truly fascinating is how this one discovery has reignited our curiosity about the ancient world. The Karora Shaft isn't just a structure. It's a doorway to a past that feels closer and more alive with each new breakthrough. It reminds us that history isn't static. It's a living, breathing puzzle that keeps evolving as we uncover more of its pieces. And yet, the Karora shaft is just one of many mysteries out there. It begs the question, what other secrets lie buried beneath our feet, waiting for us to find them? The answers might not just change how we see the past. They could change how we imagine the future. The real adventure, as always, is just beginning. The Karora Axis isn't just a mystery, it's a wake-up call. What if this is only one of countless ancient secrets waiting to be uncovered? By exploring its story, you've stepped into a world where knowledge is power, and curiosity is the key to unlocking it. Think about it. How many people truly take the time to question history, to dig deeper into the past for answers that could change everything? Now, here's the question. Are you ready to go further? Discoveries like this aren't just fascinating, they're transformative. They open doors to new perspectives, to insights that only a select few ever get to see. And that's the path you've started walking. If this video made you feel a little smarter, a little more connected to the vast mysteries of our world, imagine what else is waiting. Don't stop here. Subscribe now and hit the notification bell to keep exploring these mind-blowing stories. Because the more you learn, the closer you get to joining the ranks of those who truly understand the world's greatest secrets.